The town it climbs the mountain and looks upon the sea. At sleeping time or waking, it is dead I long to be, to walk again those kindly streets, the place my life began, with the boys of Barnestrida, who hunted farther on. With cudgel stout we roamed about, to hunt the gaedrolin. We searched for birds in every forest, from Little to Dooneen. We jumped for joy beneath the sky. Life held no print or plan, for we boys and Barnestrida, a hunting farther on. And when the hills were bleeding and the rifles were aflame, to the rebel homes of Kerry the Saxon stranger came. What the boys who beat the oxy and fought the black and tans were once boys in Barnestrida, a hunting farther on. And here's a health to them tonight, those lads who laughed with me. By the groves round Callan River, or the slopes of Benethill, Condolly and Batandy, the Sheehans, Con and Dan, those boys from Barnestrida, who hunted farther on. But now they toil on foreign soil, where they have gone their way, deep in the heart of London town, or over on Broadway, and I am left to sing their deeds and praise them while I can. Those boys from Barnestrida, who hunted farther on.